What's up, guys? It's Jordan back at it again with another video. Today we're playing an extreme hide and seek in IKEA. It's about to be crazy, and I got some friends here with me. It's about to be lit.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so I brought my friends. Everybody. Be glad to come in. Okay. I'm gonna break you guys up into teams. You're gonna have 1 minute to hide. And yeah, that's just pretty much all the rules. So let's see, teams. You take care of this little man.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you guys could come up with a team name. I feel like that would be cool.
Kayla and Jason can be together.
Ooh, they're wearing black. They match.
You two can be together. Okay. All right. 1 minute counter starting.
Wait, but you guys have your phones? I need you to film yourself so we see you guys, and maybe you can find Jordan before he finds you. I don't know. You think you're gonna find them?
I know I'm gonna find them. All right. 1 minute counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
What?
Well, we're supposed to be hiding?
I don't know how this is gonna go, bro.
Okay, where do you want to hide? Where are we supposed to go?
Just anywhere, I guess.
Okay.
This is a lot smaller than I thought.
This is the first floor.
Oh, wait, for real? Alright, let's go like to a whole different floor.
How far are we allowed to go?
I don't know. Just IKEA, I guess.
We gotta walk faster. Where are we supposed to go? Where Justin and Jason?
Just go to the farthest area we can get.
We need to hurry up. Wait, they're behind us.
No way.
Justin, he's not recording.
Jesse, should we hide in here? No? What do you think? Where should we go? Yeah, I'll follow you. Go. We're running out of time.
Okay, so we're trying to find a place to hide. We're going to like little big boxes. Is there any like sections to be cut off? I don't know. But we're gonna. Oh, there's people looking at me. Anyways, okay. So we're walking, but we're kind of with the other group, and we can't be found with them because we gotta win. So we gotta go faster. Brayden, come on. I don't want to bump into people. Let's go that way. Wait, no. Yeah, wait. Okay, so they're over there. I don't know what they're doing. The other ones are back there. But we're trying to go as far as we can. I don't even know where we are.
I'm gonna start a group chat, and I'm gonna have 3 hints.
They're gonna give you 3 hints, you think?
3 hints. I'm not gonna need them though, obviously. Too good.
Too good.
But yeah, I'm gonna have 3 hints, and
Look at that cute couple.
that is my father.
Okay.
All right, we found a spot for Jesse. Now I need to find a spot. Where do I go, Jesse? Okay, stay there. Guys, we're running out of time. We're waiting. We don't know where he's at, but I'll let you guys know.
Let's see how tall you are. Take it. I can't like. No. Fail. Let's go.
Jason. Get on the top bunk. They're gonna check the shower.
Oh no, we're not allowed to go to the top.
What if you want to get in the toilet? What if we catch them, and then like once they don't see us, we can start moving behind them, you know?
All right, guys, the minute's over. I'm on the lookout. Why am I looking in there? I don't know. I'm about to text all the people. Here I come.
I found a spot.
You want to hide in the refrigerator? I don't even know where we are anymore. I think we're on the 2nd floor now.
Wow, you haven't gone up before.
Yeah, you just keep walking.
Yeah, it's like never ending.
Okay.
Yo, this is the most confusing.
I don't know.
It just keeps going.
All
right, I'm searching for these people right now. This place is humongous. There's a lot of places that they can be hiding in the lovely IKEA. Oh, wow. Let's check over here. This place is humongous. Wow.
Okay, guys, you should comment where you would hide if you were at IKEA playing this game. Like, we're by a lot of chairs right now, and we don't know where to go.
IKEA's huge. I have a lot of options to
Yeah, but I feel like this is too open.
open. Yeah.
Oh, he's coming.
He is.
Jordan's on his way.
And we haven't even hid yet.
Oh my god.
Should we hide?
We're gonna have to hide somewhere in here. We can't make anyone see us. Okay.
So we just got a text message from Jordan saying that he's coming. I'm hiding behind a curtain, and Jesse's hiding in the room next to me behind the couch. I'll let you guys know what happens.
You guys are trash. No. You guys are trash. I tested dude literally. I did not know you were here.
But
And
you haven't found my teammate.
There's no way.
Oh, too bad. Jesse's still hiding. Too bad, man.
No.
Jesse, wherever you are, don't come out.
Where the? So, I found Justin. Jesse's got to be around here somewhere.
I don't know, man.
I know you know, man. That's the problem here.
I don't think you do. We can check in here, but he's nowhere around here.
See, I feel like
Floor is creaking, huh?
hey yo, I think I found another one.
I don't think there's anyone there.
You know?
No. Dang it, Jesse.
All right, look, man.
Did you guys see me when I was lying down there?
At first, I didn't know. So I found the first team. Now there's only two more.
Two more left. Who's gonna win?
Wait, do we get to help you see now?
Honestly, I feel like
Do we get to help you seek now?
I think
you
that.
want to.
Yeah, we should.
Three's better than one, right?
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Sweet.
All right. Well, you might as well like and subscribe. We're trying something.
I don't think we fit. Oh my god, people are looking. It's not gonna work.
Get out. Yo, we gotta go.
Okay. What if I put the pillows over you? Hurry up! I can put the pillows over you. No, I can put the pillows over you. You just lay down. Okay, go. Lay down. Oh my god, this is so Okay, go. Joe, I'll just cover you. No, let's go to the back.
Back.
Oh my god. How am I gonna go to the back? I don't think we should be on the team. Okay.
Bro, we're done.
Okay. I don't know where to go. We're struggling.
All right, let's find him, Jess.
Drawers. Check drawers. Kayla's flexible.
Oh yeah, you're right.
We gave up and we're now in the shower.
How do we know if let me put my phone on silent. Spider-Man. Okay, you scoot over that way. Oh my god.
You think it's him?
What is this?
Oh my god!
You left me. I don't know what to do. Do I just stay here? He's back. What do I do? We can't just leave it. We gotta put it back up. Hold the phone.
Alright. Bruh, how did this even happen? I can't, bro. Is it good?
Don't touch it.
Alright, we're good.
Okay, we're going somewhere else. 3 elefantes. 4 elephants. 4 elefantes. I think it goes to like 10. Let's see the last elefante. 10 elefantes. 10 elefantes. So I think we might hide in like these things and like make the back where you can't see her. Okay. I'm gonna make a little hiding spot for us. So she's gonna make a hiding spot for us to like, cause we're trying to win, you know? So she's gonna see if maybe like, we can like build something in a way so that like they can't see us when they walk past. But it also can't look like we're actually making something to hide in, so that it's like still good. Because, okay, so there's building. Because there's like holes, but there's only one side where it's like you can't see anything in it, you know? So let's go behind. We're gonna come now, guys, and we're gonna hide in them. So. I went in the wrong one, guys, but it's fine. Twist it.
Come out wherever you are. Hayley, Kayla, and Jason. Alright, guys. I'm gonna text for my first hint.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's kind of rough.
So big. Jesse, do you know where anyone is?
Looking.
All right, I said 1 team down, 2 to go.
Say a first hint.
My first.
I'm gonna go look for them.
Well, wait, don't walk off, Jesse. Wait for us. This place is so big.
She says kids.
Okay.
Kids.
They're coming. We don't know where to hide. They're right behind us. I don't know where to go. Oh, get in the cabinet. Get in a cabinet. Get in the cabinet.
This is literally hard. I decided to help Jordan and Jesse. And this is super hard. Oh, answer.
Oh, there's no internet.
She's trying to call? Oh no! Well, that could have been helpful.
That could have been very helpful. Hold on, let me call.
Maybe toys. Looks pretty jungly.
Where are you?
I can tell you. Supposed to be hiding.
Can you see us?
Have you seen us so far?
I see.
Bro, just stay right here.
Alright, we're in a... I don't even know where we are. We're in a little kid's monkey jungle. She's looking at me.
What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
You got a lion? Oh, it's so cute. It's a toy?
Nice.
It's so cute. I don't know what this score is. 2-2. Last one.
I got you guys.
Who'd they find?
Guys, I don't think We dropped the shower
In the
curtain.
closet, huh?
We dropped the shower curtain.
We were in a shower and then he fell. Like the whole thing just fell. Only one more team left.
You guys, oh, it means Hayley's the winner, but let's not tell her until we find her. You cheat.
Why are you guys hiding in a room next to me?
They came over here. They took our
Well, you guys won. Haley,
I'm just a streak, man.
she's on a winning streak. That's
on a
2
winning
challenges in a row she wins.
All right.
We won.
All right, that's the end of round 1. Let's see what round 2 holds. All right, guys, it's time for round 2. This time, we're adding a little bit of a twist. Now, it's gonna be the girls versus the boys. The girls are seeking, the boys are hiding. Let's get into it. Boys team, we gotta go crazy.
All right, we're running right now away from them. We have 1 minute to hide.
Yeah, 1 minute. Oh my God.
Come on.
You guys, these are Girls in the Wild. Girls Gone Wild 2022 edition. IKEA edition.
So if you guys know, there's secret doors that lead. Look, there's one right there. And these doors basically send you to a completely different part of the place. And they don't know this.
Oh my God.
So what do we do?
Keep walking around and going to the doors.
That's what we do. Think they're gonna find us?
I don't know, man.
Guys, this is where I hid previously.
It's pretty trash.
Hey, that's not funny.
They're also making a TikTok right now. This is girls on their free time, while the boys are trying to hide. She's still making one.
Look, Jordan, right here. Look. Here, look. I'll fix you up. Get in here. Put pillows to hide. Sweet. They ain't gonna find him.
We're gonna check to see if we can find. There's a drawer. I don't know if they're in there, but there's a kid. Am I supposed to like open all of these or like is that? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. So we just won the first round. Now it is girls against guys. The guys are hiding. Oh my God! Wait, we forgot to look in these.
Guys, I need a bunch of pillows. I feel like I'm gonna get caught. This is not good. I feel like everyone can see me right now. I'm just trying not to move. Hoping I survive. This is bad. Okay, guys, so I found my hiding spot. Basically just waiting now. Let's see what happens. Guys, it's getting hot in here. And I really have to pee. I think I may make a run for it in the bathroom. Let's go.
And Jordan, they're very competitive.
Yeah, no, they're gonna be crazy.
All right. We got a whole squad. My living room is very nice. He's in there. Justin's in the living room. Wait, where's Chris's living room? My living room is very nice.
Justin.
Marco. These are kitchens, not living rooms.
So they unfortunately found me. My hiding spot was right here. I don't know how they found me because there was people that literally walked into this room looking at this stuff and they didn't even notice me. So
Jordan, come out wherever you are.
Yeah. Jordan's the winner.
found you. I just found this guy.
Jordan's the winner. You won.
Oh, that's a good hiding spot.
He said someone sat on me.
You won.
That was actually good.
How's it feel to be a winner?
I couldn't breathe.
You won at your own challenge. Hey.
So did you tell her about your original spot? The worker made him move.
Really?
Yeah. He was hiding behind some pillows on a couch, and they said he couldn't be there anymore.
Oh. This
Yeah.
one was fire. You won.
I was
so-
getting out and I was moving all the pillows that were falling down and like everybody just started laughing at me. It was pretty funny. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. And yeah, me and Hayley took a dub. Everybody else is losers.
Losers.
Peace out.
That's why you got dust in your hair. Bye, guys. You got dust in your hair.
You have dust in your hair and dust in your eye. You dusty. You dusty. Look at, it's all falling out of you. You guys make sure you like because he's got allergies for days.
Yo, for real, my eyes were itching.
Couldn't leave IKEA without Brayden. What can we leave without?
The meatballs.
Meatballs. Hey, let's
won.
get it.
We're gonna win again.
What are
in
you
the next
winning?
video.
Oh, the next
The
video.
next video.
I was like, what are you
I'm
winning?
gonna be on a third strike.
One meatball.
Yeah, I want to try one.